Hello everyone, welcome to Iris Creation Limited, your go-to channel for creative design tips and tutorials. I am excited to show you how to create a professional and eye-catchy trifold brochure using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure your brochure not only looks amazing but also effectively communicates your messages. By the end of this video, you will have to the skill design brochures that stand out and captivate your audience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future design tutorials. Now, let's jump into the Canva and get started. After create a page for a trifold brochure, go to the element and search for a shape. Let's take this arrow shape. Make it bigger and adjust it on the right brochure of the page. Make the corner round, and now let's take a rectangle shape and adjust it behind the previous shape. Change the color in yellow and change the color of an arrow in matte black. Now go to the element, search for a logo. Let's take this logo and change the color in white. Take a text box, type the name of the company, change the font style. Change the color in yellow. Now adjust the name and the logo together. Change the font style. Take a text box, type the subtitle. Take a text box and paste the dummy text. Adjust it on the lower section of the shape. Now press Alt and copy the rectangle shape. Adjust it on the middle section and adjust it on the left section too. Change the color of the left section in yellow. Keep the middle section in the black. Now take a text box, type contact us, as it is a back cover of the brochure. Now take a text box and type the text. Remove the line spacing. Take a small text box, type the phone number. Take another text box, type the email and the web address. Go to the element and take a QR code. Adjust the QR code and take a rectangle shape. Adjust it behind the QR code. Select the shape and give it a border in white. From the element, let's take this a contract logo and adjust it over the contract details. Select the logo and the text box, make it smaller and adjust it under the QR code. Take a text box and type the text for the left section. Select the half text, change the color in white. Go to the element and search for a different type of logo for the companies. Adjust all the logos, make sure all are in the center alignment. Take a text box, type the dummy text or paste the dummy text. Change the font style, remove the letter spacing. Take this arrow shape and adjust it behind the dummy text. Select the first page shape and adjust it on the middle section of the back page. Change the color, make the yellow one black and the yellow one in black. From the element, let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it on the left part and search a designer picture, adjust the picture and copy the shape and place it over the photo and keep the transparency low. Now place the logo and the name on the middle section. Take a text box and type Whyas. Go to the element and search a line and take this line, make the line weight in 1. Now paste the dummy text here. Take a text box and type the name of the company CEO. Copy the text box and make the name in signature. Change the color. Now take a text box and type the other text. Now copy the shape for the right section. Take a text box and type Why chooses us. Take a line, change the color in yellow. Take a text box and type the text one by one. Under every reasons, paste the dummy text, and now take the points and search a icon from the elements. Take a round shape, change the color in yellow, and place the icon over it. Now adjust all the things. Place the arrow shape here, change the color in yellow. Let replace the text here and place a text. Change the color in white. Increase the transparency, and here again paste the logo. Go to the element and let's search for yellow black curves. Let's take this curve and adjust it with this shape. Make it behind the black shape. It's done. Here it is, a trifold brochure for a corporate company. If you need this kind of design or any other design need you have, like a brochure design, flyer design, logo design, social media post or presentation design, you can contact with us. Our contact details is attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.